This shit connects. Alright. Another day, another vlog. Putting the reps in, third week. Trying to talk in public again today. Here's what's going down today. I got a problem with my bike, and I gotta fix that. I gotta fix Rosie, and I'm gonna meet a friend. Then we're gonna continue the day. I'm gonna do some work. Gotta publish my newsletter, which is supposed to be today. I haven't done shit. I've been lazy lately. It sucks. And we're gonna do leg day today, which is a different workout for you guys to see. And I'm gonna do laundry at night, so it's gonna be a very hectic day. You know, sometimes I wish I have a GoPro so I can show you guys what it looks like to be on the road in Taiwan, like what is it to ride here, the traffic and stuff, but unfortunately I don't. Well, I hope I can get one soon though, just like secondhand or anything, or if GoPro wants to sponsor me or hit me up when I have enough followers, exactly, like not right now, that would be lovely. Hit me up anytime, you know? Alright, so, gotta pack my gear, got this. Oh yeah, one of my good friends just got into a motorcycle accident, like it's fucking terrible, and he lost both his bike. He has an R1 and it just broke down, and yesterday he had like another scooter that he bought, and then he got into an accident with it, so he's gotta be in a terrible mood. So I'm gonna meet him later, but I don't think I'm gonna put him in the video. Privacy issues, and yeah. I know most of my friends aren't really that comfortable in front of a camera, so I'm gonna do what I can to be respectful, you know? I'm gonna buy him and his girl some fried chicken. This is my helmet. God, I love it. Scorpion, you guys do shit right. I'm not gonna lie. This thing looks fucking slick. This is the EXO R1 Evo Carbon Air, and I'm telling you, this guys is legit. They give you a free visor and with a pin lock on it, so when it gets cold, it doesn't get foggy. And it's all included in the helmet, and there's a pump inside too. Like, how nuts is that shit, dude? You can't get anything better than this, you know? I mean, for the price point at least, this is like the most worth it. And I'm sure there's a lot of good reviews of them out there too. Oh God, I have so much stuff to carry. And we're gonna do the mandatory elevator shot. What's up? Yeah, I'm a weirdo, right? We all got that down by now. We all know that by now, so. All right, so here's what you guys gotta know. This is Rosie. She's a 2015 R3. Look at her. She is stunning, guys. So, I got an RCB here, and then I changed this to domino. I just installed these mirrors. I don't know why. A lot of people don't like them, but I love them. They look gorgeous to me. And RCB foot pegs, and also a Krapovic exhaust. A Krapovic? I don't know. And yeah, I just changed her tires. I just changed her to Pirelli Rosso 3. They're so sticky. They're so sticky. I love them. And here is the problem. See, there's a lot of leaks there, and it's coming from here. So yesterday I checked with my friend at the workshop. He said this part is kind of weird. You see that? How it folds inwards like that? There's too much pressure, and then because of the wind, you see that? There's oil everywhere. And if the oil reservoir is gone, I can't use my rear brake. So, but bikers have a very famous reputation for dying on the streets, for being a road stain, and I don't want to be one. So, warning ahead of time. This is Rosie. She's very loud, and yeah. I'm pretty sure a lot of people hate me. Very loud. She's very, very loud.炸鸡餐。对，炸鸡餐又什么？哦，那不然是这个那个3个什么推，然后3个鸡推排。对，3个。My Chinese is so fucking terrible, guys. I'm so sorry. 210哦，好，谢谢。We left Rosie behind, so now we gotta walk. Kind of a long walk, you guys can see. But we're heading to my friend's place and I'm gonna turn the camera off right then. So there's a fuck ton of chicken, dude. And the worst part is I'm not gonna eat any of it. I'm just gonna give it all to them. Hope he's okay though. I called him like 2 days ago. I heard his knees hurt and he can't even move his wrist. And I can hear from the sound of his voice that he was very traumatized. He was still in shock. And yeah, it just sucks because, you know, this is what the reality of being a biker is like. It's fucking dangerous and it's always a risk. So if you're a rider, if you have a bike, just be safe out there. Even if you have a car, if you go in traffic, just be safe out there. All right, so that's my friend's place. My friend's girlfriend's place. So I'm gonna turn the camera off now. I'm eating noodles. Yeah, I don't know, like some dumplings, some noodles. Yeah. And I'm just talking alone, but I met my friend. I finished meeting my friend, and I gave him some chicken. I can tell he's really devastated. At least he's still alive. I think I'm gonna go back and hit the gym first and then might go to fix my bike later because the guy that I know that works in the workshop is kind of busy right now. So I'm gonna go to the gym first, I'm gonna hit the leg day. Okay, so there's a bit of a problem. I'm supposed to fix my bike today, but I didn't confirm the time with the guy just yet. So it's like he's got a lot of bikes to fix. I'm not sure if I have the time today, but he said if I want to go, I have to go in the evening. So that means I'm gonna have to go to the gym first, do my newsletter, and then go to the workshop later, which could be quite late. But yeah, so we're back in my place. I just bought an avocado juice. Now I'm going to try and do a bit of work. Try to get the newsletter up for having to go to the gym, do leg day, and then fix my bike. I hope I can get everything done today. I finally finished my newsletter and I've already published it. And I never thought I would say these words, but thank God it's leg day. What sucks about it is it's Sam Sulik's leg day. And we gotta go do laundry. So I'm gonna go to the laundry first, drop my clothes off, and then I'm gonna buy some facial soap. And then I'm gonna do leg day, come back, pick up the laundry, and dry it up. Then fold it later, and the day's over. So, damn long day, guys. And I don't get to fix my bike, so I'm sorry, it's gonna be for another video. I promise I'll record it and upload it next week because it's my fault I didn't make an appointment with the dude. So, yeah, I'm just gonna get ready and then we're gonna head out. Laundry is one of the things that I hate the most in this world. You see this? I hate this. I gotta clean all this shit, gotta carry it again just for it to get dirty, and I gotta wash it again. Fuck. It annoys the hell out of me. Off we go to the gym, boys. Look at that, ain't that cute? There's a reason I hate going to the gym this late. There's a fuck ton of people, dude. And everyone's judging me. They're talking to a damn camera while I'm walking. Oh man, this is not gonna go well. But I'm betting there's gonna be a lot of people in the gym, so I'm gonna have to change to another lens and try to snipe some footage of myself doing leg day. But thank God it's Sam Sulik's leg day, so there's only like 4 exercises, but I trained to failure, so it's not gonna be an easy workout, but I'll see you guys inside. Initially, I'm gonna start 4 sets with hamstrings. 1 set 15 to 30 reps, 3 sets of 8 to 15. And he always says train to failure, but I'm not really comfortable recording in the gym. So this is my last set. I mean, I've done 3 of them already, so. Fuck. I don't know why. I've never felt anything with this exercise, but we're still gonna keep trying. We're moving on to Romanian deadlifts. For some reason, I've been trying this exercise for like 3 years and I still couldn't feel it. It's getting better by the day, but like, it's too little to notice, but yeah, you know what? We're gonna try. The idea of lifting heavyweight is always scary to me, especially doing squats. I always have this feeling like something's gonna mess up, you know? We're doing 4 sets of 8 to 12. I didn't bring my notebook today. Forgot I left it at home. So I forgot how many reps I should do. So the first 2 sets, I only did 10. And this is the 4th set, so I'm gonna make up for it in volume, which means I'm gonna do 16 reps in this set. So if this video never gets uploaded, I'm dead on the squat rack. Tom Platt's super proud of me. Yeah. This is probably the most tiring part of all. Folding laundry after a long leg day. On a serious note, I kind of want to talk though. Damn guys, it's been a long day, but hey, thanks for watching. You know, I just want to say, the point of making this video is I hope one day I have a kid. I mean, I want to have a family, but I hope one day you can look back and know that I went through the same struggles as he did. I want him to know that he can do better than I can, than I ever could. And I want to document this whole journey to hopefully me making it and succeeding so that he knows what I did for him or her. And I hope one day when I'm old, when I'm gray and old, and remember, wow, I made it through. Folding laundry in Taiwan, in a country where my Chinese isn't very good, but I managed to survive for 5 years, maybe 6 before moving to a new one. So it's something about it, you know? These are the long days, man. Got a lot of stuff done. Always this fear of trying something new. And even like this, even though it's past 10 p.m., I'm still nervous talking to camera, even though I know there's gonna be no one here. All I wanna say to end the video, whatever struggle it is you guys are going through, you gotta push it through. You gotta push through, you gotta get through it, you know? That's what life is all about. You gotta keep moving. No matter how tired you are, no matter how much you wanna give up, have to always keep going. Have to always keep going. And I feel you. Y'all got some shit no one else understands. That's because only we're designed, we're equipped to go through it. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I just wanted to say, yeah, life's hard. Whatever you're going through, we gotta push through. See you in the next one, yeah?